Alright, we're off again from Siem Reap down to Phnom Penh, but rather than fly, we want to see a bit of village life, so we're actually going to catch a boat down the Mekong River. But to do this, we must endure, I think, a 4-hour bus ride first, so we'll see soon whether this was a good decision or not. Not the luxury coach we were anticipating, but not too bad a result. We're off.
No luxury. Wake up 3 a.m. Yeah, breakfast very early.
We've only got a 4-hour ride. Someone's a bit cranky. You won't be sleeping on this either. Either of you won't be sleeping on this bus, this little coach. Alright, let's go. Cambodia, you're meant to drive on the right hand side of the road. Oh, here we go. We'll go back over now. Roadside barbecues everywhere. Yeah. We're here at a roadside sticky rice shop.
And coconut milk, sugar, and black peanut. Yeah. And then after this one, we'll take about banana leaf for the cooler. And then they burn it. This is a stove. They burn it some here like for 2 or 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, everything done. And then the lady, they have a knife and they cut, more thinner. They easy to push it out. Yeah. So when I try, hold on.
Peeling it open to get to the sticky rice. Oh. A lot of work. Caution.
Okay. And the black, the peanut.
Oh, peanuts.
First, for a Cambodian, lady first.
Ah, yes.
Man first. Man later.
It's okay.
A little bit hot.
Very little.
Serves you right. Did you taste it? Marina?
No taste? No.
Not tasting?
Hot, like a coconut.
This is right. I
Well,
think yesterday in the cafe give for us. Appetizer.
Sugar and peanuts. Some.
Yesterday in cafe. First piece. This is sticky rice. Yes? Yes.
It's a lot of work for a bit of rice, isn't it? 3 hours.
It's good.
Good.
But not as sweet.
That's alright. So this is all peanuts in here. Let's have a little. That's enough for me.
Peanut.
Enough, yeah.
Come on.
Pretty subtle flavour. All about the texture.
Come on.
Good. That's good. You're right, thank you, sir. Back in the van. Wow, this is the sticky rice zone, isn't it? Look, they're all cooking sticky rice all the way along here.
Yeah.
More.
Now we know what they're doing.
So we've stopped on the roadside here, drying rice because it's rice season, and wow.
We talking rye pistol water. Rice.
Water, yes,
yeah,
yes.
okay. And before they use like 2 or 3 people, then use my hand. Then for the rice. Then for the rice.
Yeah.
And fry on the pan.
Yeah.
And after you fry it, and do like this. Yeah. And this one they shaking. Yeah.
What, we're making rice flour, are we?
No, for to eat. And this one they mix with, you know, for a bit of coconut water or rice or mango. Yeah.
Ah.
Before they use 4 or 5 people.
Wow.
Some people do this, some people do this. Yeah.
Crazy. Cool, man. Sue's in action next. Oh, okay, that's the husk.
Yeah, that's a half.
Oh, I had it the wrong way around. This is the crushed up husk. And the flakes are the actual rice.
Fluid?
Yeah, see, this is the actual rice, that's the husks. The outside, the skin. Rice? No surprise? Got your motor here. Two boys. This one's shaking. Oh, there's a cat just sitting there. Oh, the old tyres are dampener. Wow. Don't get your finger in there. Toilet break stop.
To that way, please.
Yes, understand.
Okay. In
Toilet break
front,
this way.
coffee shop, and behind your toilet.
Well, that cool little setup. Time for a little snack. Bit of mango ice cream in a cup. They all dried stuff, Marina. Dried fruits and stuff and biscuits.
No, the cookie.
Cookies, yeah. Banana chips. Some cashews on the bus. How are your cashews, Marina? Oh, you got to skin them. I've only got one hand. You do this. Take the shell off for me. Oh, professional. Yeah, they're nice. Very well. Yeah. Cashew City. Cashew City. All the money around here comes from cashew nuts. We got dried jackfruit here.
Yeah, like chips.
Like chips.
That's the light. Chicken and duck.
Out of
God, there's no line? No. No.
oh, geez. Chickens and ducks being transported in not a great way.
Just having
Chips out of 10, how much? 1 terrible, 10 amazing. What score do you give these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10? 8 out of 10.
8.
I give them a 5.
Oh.
Yeah. They're very sweet, but it's got a bit of an aftertaste for me. Oh. Lots of rice fields out there now.
Phnom Penh, for the hotel, they want to decorate something, so they buy from me because that's very cheap. Yeah. You can buy in Siem Reap souvenirs are so expensive. So
All
everybody
statues
want to
made by
have a look.
hand.
See? Yeah? Yeah. Okay.
serious ones. It's a big one to make by hand. Wow. Howdy, mate. This is where they make them. Carve them out. All carved out by hand, apparently. Works in progress. So they're carving all these statues out of sandstone. Wow, hey? Some skilled artists. And right next door, these are cashew trees. Our plantation's a bit dusty. Skilled artisans at work. And that using a wet tool to do the fine work. 5.5 hours in now. I think everybody's beginning to suffer now. 5.5 hours is enough in the minibus. Enough. 6.5 hours, we're finally out of the minivan and we arrived at some water. Saw some great stuff as you saw, but I gotta say the trip's been a bit misleading, as happens in Asia sometimes. We're supposed to be a van ride to the boat to get the boat down the river to Phnom Penh, with the boat being the highlight and the majority of the trip. We're basically about 90% of the way to Phnom Penh. So there's about 10% of the trip left, and now we're waiting for the boat. Some metal working. Oh, okay. Hammock test. Probably better to go this one. Oh, it's got a hole in it.
Broken.
Caution, caution. Ah, disappointing. She didn't fall out. Some bananas. The local village. Some of the houses, you know, they're pretty nice. I like this style. Where are you going, Marina? Just chilling. No, good, no problem. Breeze. Found a nice spot to have a drink on the waterside. Got a local Gansberg snow. Not that cold, but that's all they had. So let's give it a crack. Shit. Drinking problem.
Timmy, get your shit together.
That's why I don't drink beer in cans. It's got to be bottles.
I can buy here one product for my pleasure and torture for you.
No.
Salt dry fish.
Salt and dried fish. This might be our junk arriving now.
It's our.
No. Do not forget your phone. Head on board. Take your time, Mum. Mess your eyes up when you try to do this sort of thing. Howdy, thank you, man. Ah, the smell of diesel.
Slow down there, the boat
Quick
up
refill.
there, right, a little bit slower. So
Safety
sorry for
fifth.
waiting.
Safety fifth is Cambodia.
Oh, okay, we have
Safety fifth.
You did something.
Yeah.
We have beer,
This is not safety
wine,
first,
we
it's
have-
safety fifth.
And we have waters. You did something before we get lunch.
Cruising down the river on our junk. Look at those. They've got floating houses on the edge of their marina, maybe. Well, on stilts they're floating. It's hard to tell. It must be floating.
Yes, this is float.
Some nice houses actually out there on the bank. Really coming along this area. Here's our fancy sit-down lunch. Wow. Looks all right. Red dragon fruit.
Same
Flamingo. Hmm?
Same white.
Tastes the same?
Yes.
Okay.
I feel like I didn't eat the lunch, but I did.
The old river boats. So on our boat we have a man from Finland, a woman from America living in Finland, some Indians living in Canada, a Belarusian living in Australia, 2 Australians, 1 Finlander, Cambodians, all sailing down the river. Let's go upstairs and have a look. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, synthetic lawn, romantic seat at the front.
Yesterday people get around the place.
View's getting a little bit more industrial now.
Fish, I'm good. It's called Big Jack.
Oh, you can see the city in the distance
You know,
now.
like when they get sour,
Phnom Penh's coming into range.
In here.
Apparently we're having a temple stop before we get to our final destination.
And we got like 120,000 monks to live in the whole country also. So this temple, cremation already, they collect axes from there to keep in box of junk
Okay.
and to keep
Cremation
in different
here.
stupa. But
And then your remains
you
are put into the stupa,
you can
either this side or this side of
the
it.
stupa depends you are belong from their family.
All these statues, they still look very, I don't know, cartoonish to me. Don't have the detail of some of the other religions. So these floating houses, they're actually sitting on bamboo, and they have to replace the bamboo every 2 years. So they they sink. The bamboo starts to shoot again or something. So yeah, they get 2 years out of the bamboo before it has to be replaced. Fisherman here. Fancy river cruise boats. So here, we're going to try again. The fancy river cruise boats are here. Never done one of those. Maybe one day. Looks like we finally reached our dock. close parking. Grab a squid.
No way.
Thanks, sir. One moment, Marina. Hang on, wait. There's the Grey Army for their sunset cruise.
Yeah.
Exodus begins, the tuk-tuk exodus. How was your day, Marina?
Excellent, very long. Only.
Yeah, very long day. The long time in that bloody minibus.
Yeah.
Saw some wonderful stuff. Now we've got these sights and sounds of Phnom Penh. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Hey! It's all happening here. Oh, jeez.
Here also. Yes, no yoga.
It's a long market on the waterfront there. Whew, made it. End of a long day. This is our room in Phnom Penh. It's about probably about 38 Australian dollars a night. Much cheaper. Small balcony. What sort of view have we got here? Well, you see ocean glimpses between the buildings there. Pan around, and the city over this way. Been a long day, good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.